Any Ethereum application can deploy a blockchain with Skale Coinbase, the first and only platform to provide developers with an easy way to deploy Ethereum blockchain applications on any compatible platform. Skale is a cloud-based platform that allows anyone with access to the internet to create, launch and run Ethereum dApps and smart contracts. This eliminates the need for users or new developers to learn complex programming languages or equipment needs while providing unmatched security levels. Skale's blockchain provides every node with access to every transaction and allows for the creation of contract-driven systems. This technology naturally becomes a distributed computing platform across many nodes, eliminating the need for computation or a high level of security in any one instance. It also removes the cost and complexity of running decentralized applications while creating high levels of scalability, security, and privacy protections as required by certain blockchain use cases. Skale is an Ethereum dApp platform that allows anyone with internet access to create, launch and manage blockchain applications. The platform creates a fully scalable, privacy-preserving, and scalable blockchain, facilitating the creation of decentralized applications that are secure, private, and safe. The Skale platform is an Ethereum-based distributed computing platform designed to support hybrid cloud-based applications by creating a highly secured ecosystem of network nodes. What is Skale Network? Skale Network is a blockchain network that provides software called Skale software to anyone who wants it. Software is Skale's operating system of the ledger, and it's built on top of Ethereum. The more people use it, the faster the network will get and the more secure it will be. The Skale Network is a decentralized ecosystem for Ethereum applications. With Skale, the user may not need to pay transaction costs to run their dApps because of its state channel functionality. The model accomplishes this by dividing the dApps into modules and then combining those modules into an application. Together, these modules are called a chainset. Each chainset contains a subset of the state that is relevant to it. Why should you use Skale Network to deploy your dApps? Skale Network lets you run dApps on the Skale sidechain with zero fees while giving the full benefits of Ethereum, including immutability and smart contract functionality. This will allow users to design their dApps with security, privacy, and speed in mind that fits their needs. The Skale Network will ensure that you won't pay any transaction fee on your apps because it pays for miners' transaction fees instead. This ensures a fast and scalable sidechain for dApps to live on. How does Skale deploy dApp? First, you create a chainset that contains your dApp. It is a service with a private key that stays confidential by only being accessible on the blockchain. Your dApp is hidden inside a chainset. Then, you verify your chainset to join the network, the first step in becoming an Ethereum application. The initial standalone application is encapsulated in a bundle that contains the blockchain state and smart contracts. This bundle thus becomes a Skale channel set. Skale channel setting is a module of the Skale network that provides all the functionality of an application. It contains all the smart contract logic and state channels for communication between different parts of an application. The smart contracts are deployed on Ethereum and all dApp modules and rely on Ethereum for their security and immutability. What are sidechains in the Skale network? Ethereum has a few problems that Skale network is trying to address. First, the Ethereum blockchain has a limited amount of gas, meaning you have to pay for every operation you perform. This can get expensive for developers when you're developing large applications and running lots of dApps. The gas price is effectively the cost of running an Ethereum dApp. The second problem is that in the Ethereum network, there are many attacks, some of which are uncommon. Ethereum has lost billions of dollars in value due to such attacks as a DAO hack and numerous issues that became known as the hacks. In addition, the Ethereum community doesn't have any inbuilt tools for monitoring smart contracts and preventing these issues from happening again. This can slow down the development process for dApps that require many computational resources as Ethereum does. Skale Network solves these problems with sidechains. The idea behind sidechains is that many cryptocurrencies can use the same software, but each has its blockchain. As a result, many apps can run on the same network in parallel. This also makes it so that specialized applications refrain from interfering with one another or slowing down the whole network. Scale nodes and elastic sidechains. Scale network is a network for dApps with a decentralized elastic sidechain. The Scale network is a blockchain network that provides software called Scale to anyone who wants it. Software is Scale's operating system of the ledger, and it's built on top of Ethereum. The more people use it, the faster the network will get and the more secure it will be. The Scale network will ensure that you won't pay any transaction fee on your apps because it pays for miners' transaction fees instead. This ensures a fast and scalable sidechain for dApps to live on. The Scale network is a platform as a service, PaaS, supporting the creation and deployment of blockchain applications, with a centralized cloud component and decentralized components leveraging the power of a public blockchain. This decentralized architecture allows blockchain applications to get the scaling, privacy, and security benefits of the Scale network while retaining control of the data. The Scale network is a public network that runs on a state channel model that allows transactions to be conducted off-chain and validated in real time through an on-chain settlement mechanism. Conclusion. So, the platform allows users to create dApps in building a more secure and private infrastructure. Moreover, it has features such as microtransactions that are private by default. The network is highly scalable, so a spike in demand for dApps will not impact the core blockchain. The Enterprise Edition is also available for those who want to build big public, shared applications for some real-world use cases.